So Karan, let me welcome you inside the all-new Hyundai Creta.
And on that note, that is a pretty big screen.
Talking about the distinct identity, you also get.
I love the design, but
So if you think that the voice controlled sunroof is smart enough, then the Blue Link features will totally blow your socks off.
I have noticed that we haven't spoken anything about the new Hyundai Creta's performance. Any other features which you think I'll find interesting?
Well, Karan, I don't know about other manufacturers, but when it comes to Hyundai,
So you mean the ultimate SUV?
hey man, what are you up to?
Nothing, bro. We're just planning to buy a new SUV.
Oh, a new SUV. Have you checked out the new Hyundai Creta?
Not yet.
Why not? It's the ultimate SUV you can buy.
Ultimate SUV?
So Karan, meet this, the all-new Hyundai Creta. Designed as per the sensuous sportiness theme of the company, one thing the new Creta ensures is that you'll get a lot of attention wherever you go. So Karan, let me have your attention towards the bold cascading grille, which gives this car a unique identity. Talking about the distinct identity, you also get these really stylish multi-layer headlamps which comprise LED DRLs and LED headlamp fixtures that not only provide a great illumination but also give this car a signature look. So Karan, let me now take you to the side and show you what this car offers. As you might have noticed already, the talk of the side profile is this lightning arc element, which is a one-of-a-kind styling feature that gives this car a very coupe-like look. And this is not all, there's even more. You get chrome plating on the door handles, flush-fitting roof rails, and very stylish multi-spoke alloy wheels, all of which ensure that the Creta looks very premium even in the side profile. Now it is the rearmost part of the new Creta that impresses me the most personally, and that is highly due to the slightly tapering roofline and the big spoiler that gives it a coupe-like look, these multi-level tail lamps and this integrated stop lamp in the boot lid. And what all of this means is that the new Creta offers you the maximum bang for the buck, and it turns out to be the ultimate design in the SUV market right now.
Alright, bro. I love the design, but you know we spend most of our time inside. So in that aspect, what does this have to offer me?
You're right. Why don't you come with me and check it out for yourself?
So Karan, let me welcome you inside the all-new Hyundai Creta. What if we start with a question? What's your highest priority when buying a new car?
So if I had to think about it, maybe seating comfort?
In that case, you'll love the new Creta. If you haven't noticed yet, these seats, they are extremely comfortable and offer the right bolstering at just the right places. And what that means is that these will keep you very comfortable, be it in city, be it on a fast winding road, or even during a long drive on a highway.
Well, that is awesome. But I can't help but notice that these are leather seats. Am I going to burn my back on a hot summer day?
Not at all, my friend. Both the front seats, they offer ventilation, which means you can keep your backside cool even during the worst of the summers.
And what about convenience?
Let me tell you, in that case, the driver's seat has got electric adjustments, which means you can adjust the seat to the required position simply by the touch of a couple of buttons.
Well, that's cool. So you mean to say that the ultimate seats provide the ultimate comfort?
You said it.
Man, these cool seats are an awesome touch. And any other feature which you think I'll find interesting?
Well Karan, in that case, why not take a look at the roof? The new Creta comes with a huge panoramic sunroof, which not only offers an anti-pinch feature, but it can be also controlled through your voice commands.
Voice commands? What voice commands?
Well, let me show you.
How can I help you?
Open sunroof.
Opening the sunroof. How can I help you?
Close sunroof.
Closing the sunroof.
Man, this is a smart car.
Well, we are just getting started, Karan. Let me show you more of this. If you think that the voice controlled sunroof is smart enough, then the BlueLink features will totally blow your socks off. Using the BlueLink feature, there's a lot that you can do simply through your smartphone from the comfort of your home. For example, you can start-stop the engine, set auto AC temperature, lock-unlock the doors, activate the car's alarm, check vehicle status such as fuel capacity, AC settings, lock status, sunroof status and more, enable disable front seat ventilation, enable disable air purifier and even check the air quality status.
Wait a minute, did you just say air quality index?
Yes, Karan, the new Creta comes with an air purifier, which means that the air you breathe in inside the car is totally healthy and oxygen rich. And that's not all, it also shows you the air quality index not only on your BlueLink app but also on the touchscreen so that you know the kind of environment you're stepping into.
And on that note, that's a pretty big screen.
Well, 10.4 inches to be exact, and it offers a multi-screen display to help you multitask. And if that's not enough, it comes paired with an excellent 8-speaker Bose surround sound system to offer you the perfect aural experience. And finally, it also offers Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and GPS navigation facilities.
Man, that is awesome. Like, I love the Bose sound system and I love the comfort it has to offer. And what that means is I'll be comfortable and entertained on long drives, and so will my family. Speaking of which, man, I do love keeping my family safe. And one aspect which many manufacturers tend to ignore is safety. But what about the Hyundai Creta? What does that offer me?
Well, Karan, I don't know about other manufacturers, but when it comes to Hyundai, safety is something that is well taken care of, especially with the new Creta, whose body structure is built using 74.3% advanced high-strength steel. And what that means is that this car's body shell can easily withstand 12 tons of weight. And not only this, there are several other features which are available as standard across the variant lineup, and these include dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, speed sensing door locks, impact sensing door unlocks and high speed warning alert. Not only this, Karan, if you go for the top end model, you get a full quota of 6 airbags, cruise control system, tire pressure monitoring system, hill hold control system, hill descent control system, electronic stability program, reverse parking camera and rear view monitor system that gives you an entire view of the road behind on the infotainment screen.
Alright, so far so good. This car is really growing on me. However, I have noticed that we haven't spoken anything about how the new Hyundai Creta drives.
Well, Karan, belt up. I know you love your cars fast, but do you know that the new Hyundai Creta is available with a 1.4 litre turbocharged petrol engine that pumps out a maximum power of 140 PS and a peak torque of 242 Nm. And that's not all. Helping you put down all that power onto the tarmac is a 7-speed dual clutch transmission that is available with pedal shifters. And what that simply means is that you'll be one happy man while driving the new Creta. Along with that, Karan, as far as I know you, other than being a performance junkie, you like to take things a bit gently when you're with your family. And this is where the driving modes that the Creta offers will come in handy. You get to choose between sport, comfort and eco, and you can simply alter the feel and performance of this vehicle through the touch of a button.
Man, I have to give it to the Hyundai Creta. It really is the ultimate performer on the road. But you know me, I like taking vehicles off the beaten path. I wonder, will it be any good off the tarmac?
Oh, Karan, I so saw this coming.
Well, eco, sport and comfort are not the only modes that this car offers. You also get traction control modes which are called snow, sand and mud. And as you would have understood by now already, these will help you when you go off the road.
Now, buddy, next point I want to come to, although it doesn't matter to me much, but it does matter to my dad. And it is probably the ultimate question that people will ask. Kitna deti hai?
Karan, honestly, I know you want to know this as much as your dad. Even though the Creta Turbo Petrol offers 140 PS, you get an AII certified fuel economy of 16.8 kilometers per liter, which is not bad at all considering all that power that you get. And if that's not enough for you, Karan, you can always go for the diesel manual model, which offers 21.4 kilometers per liter, along with offering 115 PS and 250 Nm.
Man, I love how it looks. It is the ultimate design. As for the cabin and the features, it is the ultimate interior. And the engine and the efficiency, well, you've proven it is the ultimate performer. But my question to you is this the ultimate value for money proposition as well?
So Karan, let me tell you something very exciting. Do you know the prices of the all-new Hyundai Creta start at a shade below rupees 10 lakh and go all the way up to a bit more than rupees 17 lakh. And what that means is that you have a wide range of variants to choose from as per your exact requirements and as per your liking. And that's not all. What's a car without the ultimate after-sales service experience? And that's exactly where the new Creta excels, because Hyundai has been offering one of the widest service networks for 2 decades now. And not only that, it also offers one of the best customer support rate ever. So Karan, what do you have to say about the all-new Hyundai Creta?
You mean the ultimate SUV?